Pick the lid that is just smaller than your bowl. Start on the side closest to your body and stretch away from you, inching your way around the bowl. Use the tabs provided to pull down and ensure a snug fit. Once the lids are on, the bowls are also stackable. The lids can stretch to fit any shape and size, even the spout of a blender, and still create an airtight seal. The 6-pack lids are perfect for all those small items, including soda cans to keep the fizz in, pet food cans, jars, any food can, and any small cut fruit. Use the tabs to ensure an airtight, fresh seal. The large lid in the 7-pack is perfect for a half of a watermelon. Wipe the rind with a paper towel to ensure that the surface is dry. Stretch the lid across the melon to keep your fruit fresh.